Hello everyone, welcome to this course on basics of experimental physics. I am Saurabh and I will be with you throughout this course. So without wasting any further time, let's get straight away started with the content. So how can we actually classify physics? So one of the ways to classify physics can be based on its nature. So one can be theoretical physics and another one can be experimental physics. In theoretical physics, we mainly focus on formulas, equations, and try to find out solutions based on the laws and the mathematical models which we have. And it basically works with the thought and computation. It doesn't have any actual thing. While on the other hand, in experimental physics, we mainly focus on the observation and measuring that observation. How can we make sense out of that data which we have collected? So it mainly works with the instrument and the data. So let's proceed. So what are the features of this course? So many of the concepts which I will be teaching you throughout this course, I am making sure that you can actually correlate them with the real incidents which have happened in the past. So next thing which we have is a lot of problems. I don't want this course to be only inclined towards getting an A plus or kind of thing where the only focus is on marks, but also I don't want it to be completely out of syllabus. What we need is a right kind of balance, and hence all the assignments, quizzes, and solved examples will be provided. And also there are important resources which I will be attaching in the PDF format. So now, how is the flow going to be? What is in what manner the content is going to be delivered? So here's the flow diagram which indicates the manner in which we will be proceeding. So first is the concept of least count. What is least count? How to calculate it for different instruments? There is ammeter, there is voltmeter. No need to get overwhelmed by hearing all these terms. We will be covering it slowly and steadily. Then we have significant figures. What are they? What are the rules to find those? How to round off the digits? And many more. Then we have the most important part, I would say, is error analysis. Many of the times while conducting experiments, we get errors. How to manage those? What is the type of error which we got? Many examples, and also we will be looking after some derivations so that you don't miss out on anything, right? And following each section, there will be problem solving, which consists of 5 problems related to that topic. After that, we have the concept of units. So there are different type of unit systems, mks, cgs. What are they and how to convert one from another? How to easily do that? Then we have dimensional analysis. Again, a very important section of designing your own formula. How can you design your own formula? Is it possible? So we will be coming on to that. And then you have solved miscellaneous problems of every kind mixed up so that you get a overall clarity of the whole course. Okay. So this is from my side. Now what do I expect from you is you need to attempt the quizzes which are given after each section. That will actually help you to gain confidence in that section. Okay, and develop a intuition for the things you see in your daily routine. You encounter many things, right? How can you put the concepts which you have learned into learning instantly?